Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you the iOS 15 feature, which is the drag and drop feature, and you got to make sure you have updated your software. So to start, I'm just going to search some pictures and I want to save them to my gallery, but I don't want to do it one by one. You're just going to want to select on one of the pictures and sort of drag it to the left or right or up and down, and you can select other pictures, and as you can see the numbers have also changed because I've added a lot. Then you're just going to want to sort of drag this and go to another application. I'm going to the Photos app and I'm just going to drop it, and the sort of picture has been pasted, and some may not be supported to be pasted to my gallery, but that's fine. But you can also do it in iMessages. So I want to send this to my friends. I don't need to save it again and then later go to iMessage and then search for the pic, the hassle, and just drag it, go to iMessage, and as you can see there's plus button. Just drop it there and you can send it to your friends. How quick and easy is that? I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!